morning everyone.
Good morning.
What is our topic today? Yes. Vision and mission of institute and the department. Before going into this, as we know, we are having software engineering study. Software engineering study. Okay. In this also, we have seen what are the course objectives. Fine. What are the course objectives? Give me key points in this. First one, it is focusing on analyzation. Right? Second one, technology. Third, architecture. Fourth, testing. Fifth, management. Right. As we have seen in the previous semesters, as you are in 2-2 right now, you can analyze for any subject. One thing is common, that course objectives before entering into the main basic subject you should learn. Okay? They will guide us in what way we can reach this subject, in what scenario we can utilize the knowledge entirely from this subject. Those which we want to apply on our coming technical process. Here we are having course objectives. It is a course and you are implementing your objectives. Analyzation, technology, architecture, testing and management. These are the 5 important key contents which we are going to apply on this SE, that is software engineering. In software engineering, I will divide those 2 terms separately. Software is one term and engineering is another term. We will have differentiate definitions first of all. Then we will apply these 2 on our vision of the institute, mission, there also in the department, vision and mission. Okay. See here, what is a software? Software is an application. Fine. We can define this one as application or system process. Okay. Or in beyond, if you want to know clearly about what is a software is, beyond the coding programs, what we want to do, what we want to implement, or what we want to apply on all the scenarios, we can take this one as software study. Fine. Next, coming for engineering. All of you are doing your engineering course. For what purpose? You want to be a software engineer, right? Yes or no? Fine. So we know engineering is a study of binding of knowledges. One thing is common. And also engineering is what for we are doing, we need to develop some products. Okay, from the software we are developing as applying the contents and applying the process. Now coming for individually engineering, we are developing the products. To develop the products, we have to overcome all the crises which we are going to face in the development study of software engineering. Here crises are nothing but the problems. Okay? In previous languages, recently you have completed your computer networks. There if you find any problem, what is the term we use there? Errors. Okay? In operating system, what is the term we are going to use there? If you find any problem? Burst errors. Okay? Like that, there is a differentiation in development study of each subject. Okay? In software engineering, we should use for our problems crises. Fine? This crisis will find out what kind of knowledges we can apply and what kind of knowledges we can study in this subject. Okay? Together you know about the differentiation, no? What is a software and what is an engineering? Fine. Combine those 2 and give you a fine definition of software engineering. Software engineering is an qualified and modified process of disciplinary study of engineering product development content. Okay. Here in this we are going to objectives. In what way we can apply? Software is a vision. Okay, and vision is what? First of all, thoughts. How much you can implement and how much you can draw and how much you can gather. That is your vision. Mission is mandatory to do. Okay. Here you see in vision also you are having expectation like center of excellence in engineering. Okay. And coming to vision, to provide, to give, to employ, to responsible. All these terms you can see. Yes or no? This is your expectation. This has to be implemented. When these things come under institute level of studying the software engineering, what matters is student and any new learners first, I should implement or we should implement in what way the acknowledging process of knowledge is delivering from all these contents like excellences of engineering purpose. Okay, what is our excellence of engineering purpose? First of all, our motive is to be build proper engineers all around the world. Wherever you move in the society, you can see the engineers are going to be built and they are going to give all the techniques and process everywhere. It is going to be implemented. Is it not? Wherever you move, nowadays we are finding any documents? No. Wherever you move, you are seeing your scanner goes to pay the amount and you are seeing and you are capable of seeing the vision of the data and nothing we are holding. Is it right? Everything we are making the documents within our hands. Okay, and within our process of viewing, that is just seeing like this and saying and doing the process and implementing the thoughts. Okay, in this way, in this cycle of study, here also in software engineering process of development of any product, it requires some life cycles. Okay, in that life cycles we are having several kinds of studies. In what way you can measure the things and in what way you can analyze the things of gathering. First of all, to learn anything or to maintain the process from top to bottom, your plannings are mandatory. Okay, what to do and how to implement it, when to implement. After implementing, what is the scenario of expected outputs. All these things will come into a discussion or in a development group of vision and mission only, no? Yes or no? The same thing you apply to an department. In an organization, department is one of the role. Okay, this department has to give the implications like the growth of the implements, whatever you are going to take, like creating and providing the students in what way they can maintain themselves from techniques to technical process of all these things will come under the story of disciplinary concepts only. Okay, whenever the process is moving in a proper disciplinary concepts, then definitely you will be maintaining the department vision, expected mission has to be done. Okay, here also when you apply the same thing, what is the difference between institute and department? Nothing. But we are going to have practical implementation in our department. Here we are going to have vision of C. Okay, practically when we come here, quality of education. Okay, as why this term is very familiar, quality of education. How will you pick up a quality of education? As I told you to submit all of your intermediate marks, memo, physics, maths, all these things. There, what is the main concept? Quality. They want to check the quality. Okay, the quality is going to be measured. How we can measure the quality? By seeing the grades on their marks and their particular subject. So quality, when it will come into a picture, first of all, first thing is clear. The quality must focus on attendance of the class. Fine. The class is full of students. We will say that class is a qualified or it is maintaining the quality or not. All the qualified students are there. They are maintaining their quality. Okay. Then focusing on what? After attendance is then focusing on what? Research? No, not directly research. Mentoring, proper mentoring is going on one. Okay, proper mentoring in this is what has been done in the previous session, what has to be done in the coming section. Okay, these all things you must be, to move on these two scenarios, you must be communicated with your class. Yes or no? Until and unless if you are not communicated properly, you might be not knowing about these 2 points. Okay, next, focusing on proper awareness of department activities. First, I am focusing on department activities like paper publishing, interested, you are going to give any conferences you are going to attend, discussing on particular topic which you are interested, like this. Okay, all these things will come under activities. In these activities, you can have all the activities like quizzes and paper presentations and any other activity like presenting hands-on experiments, like this. All these things will come under activity. Okay, first is on attendances, second is on proper mentoring, third is on activities. Then what is your last step? We can conclude we are going in a proper platform of this quality of education. What is your final concluding step? Participation of work equally on all the process and activities to find right path of each and every student goal. Do you agree for this point or not? Okay, you are moving further, you are doing further, and you are in that platform right now. Okay, then finally you can see your right path of the goal. When you are properly, you are going to be released from this campus from 2026. You have been properly graduated from JBIT, the BTech Technical Study of IT Department course. So you will be noticing your goal after completing your disciplinary studies of all these things. Okay, so that you can find your either you are much more interested in developing entrepreneurships, or you can say the research environment. All these things will going to be giving you a much more support from the department and from the institute. Got it clear, all of you? Do you have any queries? Yes, from this you can give your own exercise of study, like what are the advantages of this course objectives when we are learning software engineering and we are applying all these things on quality of education. Fine? Thank you.